Now, State Attorney General Letitia James says that her office and the district have reached what she calls a landmark agreement. Now, James says that investigators found that the district suspended students of color and those with disabilities at much higher rates than their counterparts and even denied some students due process. Now, the district has agreed to a number of reforms, including working with an independent monitor to oversee the changes, provide better notices and explanations for suspensions, and share discipline data with the public through an online dashboard. Now, tonight I'm sharing the voices of a student, a parent, a teacher, and an attorney, as well as a law professor, to break down what this settlement means moving forward.
15 years ago, a young man was shot and killed after being suspended for something that he should not have been suspended for.
The opening message for Thursday's press conference involving families, students, board members, and partners of Buffalo Public Schools started off with honoring the life of 15-year-old Jawan Daniels.
From that day forward, we have committed ourselves as parents, as students, as a community to make sure his death would not be in vain. His name is Jawan Daniels.
Daniels was suspended as part of a hall sweep at Lafayette High School in Buffalo in 2010. According to the Buffalo News, he left the school, and as he waited for a metro bus, he was shot twice in a drive-by shooting. Daniels died 1 hour after he had left school. Members of the community say that Attorney General Letitia James's settlement, following an investigation, found the Buffalo Public School District's discipline system disproportionately impacted students of color, students of disabilities, and those with English as a second language learners.
This agreement is about access to education.
We're not saying that there shouldn't be consequences for students. We're also saying that a lot of our students are struggling and having significant mental, emotional, and behavioral health challenges, dealing with a lot of stuff in home and in communities.
The leaders say that they are encouraged by the AG's findings and allows for a better discussion, to build relationships, and to use a framework that is restorative and not punitive within schools.
Suspensions make students feel isolated and left out from work. It makes students lose motivation, and it doesn't really teach a lesson.
This assurance of discontinuance makes clear that there were serious problems with vague and subjective discipline categories, 5-day suspensions for first-time offenses, suspensions for behavior like tardiness and absences, which should never result in removal.
When discipline is fair, transparent, and legally compliant, students stay in class, families build trust with the system, and schools become safer for everybody involved.